Just trust the process, brother.
So how I got with Butcher, you know? How much time am I look for?
Let me tell you the things that we could get charged for. Wounding with intent, attempted murder. And that can run about 8 to 10 years. But based on the talk when boss gave, it might burn off a couple months. At the end of the day, somebody have to learn from it. Or else, it's going to make we look bad.
Well, me appreciate that, you know. Now that I see how serious the charges could have been. And me ease up. Respect for that skill.
Brother, I do far more good for the community than bad. You know? So, look on this. We know we don't have the machine anymore. You ever think about why you still have that?
No, I never did admit that. But here, I work with the program. But I don't like see my friend. I don't allow that. And I just come off of the phone with Marissa Tina. She said she not get to see him.
Alright. You know respect the item, right? So here you are. Now I make boss, you know, and make sure put in her work for him. She never able to see him because it's still fresh. So we'd have to work out all the logistics and all of that. But after that, she can get to see him. After that, she can get to see him.
Oh.
By the way, I'm going to Vicious.
You know, so I called him a couple of times and I'm not hear from him.
Just I hope say he's not doing what he's supposed to. Because I know them man dead still.
John, I have a fret on them and they still, you know.
Yeah, more while I just guidance in need.
John, where you? I make a step and see if I see him now still. Search, I go search him.
But if you see him, because you know them man they move fast already, brother. But hear me I tell you. Just try your best, even pinch him baby mother 1 and 2 times, make sure say youth around him. That will keep him on place, see?
That time mats man, you see me?
Brother, I remember say, me a garrison youth, you know. So me understand, from both sides, beyond the law and in the law. But I want to know say, me not going to make the law violate, you know. But at the end of the day, you know, can't violate the law. We have to work together, brother.
Oh, yourself, man. I gotta make sure say over on my side, govern. We don't know, we don't even want to hurt no youth. But we don't want to see where people them a get hurt same way, you see me?
Yeah, man. It takes two to make a quarrel, brother. But here what? Me never take no drawing a harassing butcher. But him wrong. And we have to be truthful about that. What is done is done. I just have to do my job. Pick up yourself. I make a move, you know. Make the pass and show me respect. And you see Vicious, send cross my greetings to me, see? I want to make sure say you over all our answers. See?
Right.
Outside.